India Today brings you all the numbers. The latest figures of coronavirus positive cases across of the country now stand at 12,759, while the death toll in the country has now risen to 420. The worst hit states across of the country, including Maharashtra, the total number of positive cases now in Maharashtra stand at 2,919, while the death toll in Maharashtra now at 187. Delhi, the national capital, total cases now have risen to 1,578, while the death toll now stands at 32. Tamil Nadu also seen a spike, total number of cases now 1,242, while the death toll has risen to 14. These numbers as of April 14th, in fact April 17th and 6:30 a.m. we've brought you these numbers. Let's take you through quick developments of coronavirus from across of the country. A Hyderabad-based entrepreneur, along with his friends, are providing essential supplies to underprivileged people stuck in the lockdown. The initiative, named Youth Feed India, has garnered support from renewed sports personalities, Bollywood celebrities, as well as business honchos. And 8 people suffering from coronavirus passed away in Indore, taking the total number of death toll in Madhya Pradesh now to 53. So far, the disease has infected 1,120 people in Madhya Pradesh itself, out of which 64 have recovered. Indore, the state's largest and the most populous city, has a case mortality rate of 5.6%, one of the highest in the country. And Assam on Thursday reported 2 new positive cases for COVID-19. We're taking the state tally now to 33. The new COVID-19 positive cases have been reported from Moregaon district. Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma has confirmed that both the patients are secondary contacts of Nizamuddin Marcus attendees. NDRF has started distributing specially, in fact, they've been accessed dignity kits, each containing basic toiletries, a pair of clothes and hygiene items for women. In Odisha's hotspot, it is for the first time that the disaster response body has distributed such dignity kits, as they called. The kits have been distributed among the 12 NDRF battalions in the country, and they are distributing them to the needy as per requirements. Over 180 people who came out violating lockdown orders in Pune's Swargate area were held by the police and made to sit for over 4 hours since this morning. So far, over 58 people have been booked, their vehicles have been seized, and they have been asked to go home.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.